Hey everybody, Ben F here. This is the Ben F channel. If you've tuned in before, it's mainly because you've wanted to see basketball, soccer, rugby, you name it, of either teams I've coached or teams that your children are on and so forth. God, for the past 10, 15 years. But now that my kids have gotten older, I'm looking to use all of the equipment that I've bought over time and do some other cool things, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video that I'm putting together. So, we're going to move this channel kind of in a new direction called This and That, and I like to brand it as a series of randomness. Boy, what the heck does that mean? Well, randomness in regards to, I'm going to do different videos, hopefully once a week, but periodically, from unboxing to looking at my cameras, anything from a techie kind of thing, but maybe there'll be some other stuff. So, click the subscribe button if you have any interest in any of that kind of randomness, and we'll see how it goes. But also being a guy who loves gaming and with kids, I thought, hey, what better way to kick off kind of the Christmas season and get this channel moving in the direction I would hope it's going to move by unboxing this beast. This is the Xbox Series X, the new Xbox console. Boy, it was not easy to get. In fact, I still haven't had any clue of getting out of the PS5, but we'll worry about that later because this is all about the Xbox. But, you know, a couple days ago, actually a week ago, I should say, got randomly lucky. Best Buy was able to get it. And thankfully my family, they were out and about and actually were able to pick it up for me. So I have not opened this box. I have not looked in it. I don't know what's in it. I have not checked on any other videos. I did bring my scissors just in case there's any tape issues. We'll also look at unboxing the other joystick. I guess I call them joystick. I think they call them controllers now. To see what's in there. I'm assuming a controller. But let's see what this bad boy has. So look how cool the packaging is. So you've been looking at this probably since the video's been on. That's the front. Actually, it's going to be the top of what the box looks like. So let's put this way. So this is the side. All right. And then here's the back. I got to assume that's the back, right? So you got Halo, which is Xbox's main game. And then I always like to show the sides. You know, usually with the sides they show a lot of features and so forth. And then the other side is just really kind of the gaming platform. So nothing really exciting, but I will tell you that this bad boy is pretty heavy. You know, so if you're going to put it on a shelf or somewhere that you're not quite sure, check the dimensions, make sure you weigh it, and make sure that wherever you're going to put it, it's pretty sturdy because it's pretty heavy. So now, let's see what's in this bad boy. So we have on the side here, I did cheat a little bit. I did take off some of the tape, but what's neat is they got these little tabs that you pull. Now, of course, like I said, I brought tape just in case, and as you see, I have not opened this. And I'm a little anxious to get it going because I want to set it up. Look at that. That's pretty sturdy, so that ain't going nowhere. But I want to be careful because I really don't want to... Oh, that's good. So the tape is pretty strong, but it did not wreck the box. All right, so let's put that over here. Let's see. Is there any more? More tape over here. Boy, you can't get any more exciting than an unboxing with somebody taking tape off of it, right? All right, here we go. There we go. Okay. So, like I said, I cheated a little bit earlier. I did take off some tape at the bottom. I don't think there's any more. All right, so when you get yours, if the other tape was down here, so the Halo side, but like I said, I took that off earlier just so that we don't have to watch me take tape off. So I'm going to turn it this way so it's facing you, and I'm going to open it towards myself first so we see what it looks like, or you see it, and whoa, look at that. That is pretty sharp. That's amazing packaging. So let's put this up like this. I'll step to the side here. Look at that. That's pretty. So now I'm going to put it here, and boy, look at this. Wow, it is heavy. It's definitely a box. Just thinking like a lunch box. So power your dreams. So whatever your dreams are, let's power them, I guess. All right. So let's take a look what else is in here. So at the bottom, they give you this little thing to tell you how to hook it up. So we'll look at that. And that's pretty much it in the box. So let's do this. Let's put this to the side over here. Let me just make sure there isn't anything else in there because I don't want to... Oh, wait. I'm glad I thought of that. Oh, look at that. A drawer. Little fake out there. A little extra drama. So let's see what we got over here. All right, so nothing. So this looks like feels like the controller. No, it can't be that. I don't think so. Let's see. Let's not guess. Oh yeah, this is the controller. It's got some heft to it. It's got some heft to it. Yeah. Well, I like that feel. And let's see. Anything else in there? Batteries. All right, so it's got batteries. So let's check out how that. Let's see what these batteries look like. Are they? Not for resale. Okay. Well, I don't know if anybody would want to resell their batteries. But if you do, I've got a sale for you. No, I'm just kidding. All right. So that's interesting. And for those of you who like French, French is on there as well. I won't even try to desecrate that language because I haven't taken French since high school. All right. What else we got in here? So we got cords. So look, this goes to into your TV. This is how you plug that bad boy. So pretty simple stuff. So let's turn this for you so you can see what's in there so far. You don't need to see the batteries. And then you've got, let's see, are these instructions? Yeah, some instructions. Simple stuff. All right, so let's turn this bad boy for you. Boom. This is what it looks like. Obviously not this stuff. Put this over here. Put the scissors over here. All right, pretty cool. All right, now I'm going to move this out of the way now because I think I have, taken everything out of the box. So let's put that over here. And now let's look at the actual unit. Boy, I don't even want to open it. It looks so good. That's not true. I can't wait. So let's turn it around a little bit. So let's see. Oh, look, we got a little tab here. Oh, look how easy that is. Boy, I'll tell you what. This is very expensive. But so far for the money in regards to packaging, they did it right. So boy, that is very nice. So we're going to take our time with this because I am a roughneck, and it looks like I am going to still be kind of a roughneck. So let's unpackage this. Okay, look at that. So there's tapes on 3 sides here, side, and the back. And now here's the unit. Whoa, look at that. Wow. It's got that new car smell. So this is what it was packaged in. I don't know if it was really safety or as much as just a good aesthetic, but either way, it was very cool. I like it. I like the all black and green. I'm assuming this is the top because it's going to need a lot of ventilation. Yep, here's the bottom. So if you want to stand it up, stand it up. This is for the DVDs, CDs, DVDs. So I guess if you wanted to put it like that, you could do it that way. I don't know. I haven't set it up yet. And then here's the back. So here's for your HDMI. So this is the out. So this would be this cord. This is your HDMI. HDMI would go in and then out of here and into your TV. This is for an storage expansion. So I guess memory card. I think I did see you could get this either separately or a bundle, but I didn't get that yet because I need to see it. And then here are some other, looks like USB ports, which I guess I didn't see. I guess since these are batteries, and then I didn't see a cord, but I do have some power cords that you might be able to probably plug in here and power this. But again, this is just the unboxing, and I have no idea. And this is for your power. So here's your power. I'm sure boom goes like in like that. So very simple, very simplistic design, and hilariously, you know, the Xbox, it's got the box. And, you know, when you think about this new gen compared to their old, because I'm looking at the other one on the other side of the camera, I didn't want to unplug the other one yet until I actually physically had this in my hands. This is actually very cool, science fiction-y. So this is the unboxing of the Xbox X series. This has the CD one. I thought this would be, I use the Xbox, my current Xbox, kind of as my main console, plugging in my TV and other things. So I'm gonna use probably this bad boy for the same concept, and I believe I can, but we'll see. All right, so that's the Xbox unboxing. Now let's put this over here, and let's take a look at the controller box. I can't imagine this is going to be totally exciting, but I figured, you know, let's take a look. So again, plastic here, pull, very convenient. It's fantastic. I don't have to use scissors and cut myself or the box. Let's just make sure there are any others. Nope. Okay, so oops. All right. Again, very nice presentation. Clearly that's the controller, and the batteries similar to what they give you. So that's that. But let's close this, because what I didn't do is I want to show you the front. Obviously that's what the controller looks like. The back. Now it's interesting, they show, looks like, it's kind of mirage. It's not two, it's just a one from a different angle. So that's that. And then the sides, really, again, more good marketing and so forth. Now I got the black to match the other black that it comes with. I believe there's a white and a blue. Obviously personal preference. Let's see, are they different? No, not different sizes. So you can get those. I don't know what else comes with this bad boy from accessories, so I have to look at that. I was just shocked I actually got this. So if you're lucky enough to have one, let me know what you think. I'm going to hook this bad boy in now that we've unboxed it. Play some games, hook in, and see what happens. So if you like what you heard, if you don't like what you heard, I would love feedback. Be gentle, as I'm new to all this, and I'm just trying to do some cool things. And enjoy the rest of your day. I'm Ben F. See you soon. Bye.